Welcome back to Food for Thought with me, Chelsea.
And me, Lauren, a special guest.
Today we will be discussing why you should not wash your raw chicken.
Once you purchase the chicken, store it in a disposable bag on the bottom level of your refrigerator to prevent any leakage of the raw juices from contaminating other foods. Always wash your hands, countertop, and cutting board with hot, soapy water for at least 20 seconds before and after handling raw chicken. If you need to prepare the chicken, use a separate cutting board and knife. Never place cooked food or fresh produce on a plate or cutting board that has been in direct contact with raw chicken.
Stop! Raw chicken can be contaminated with all sorts of bacterial pathogens, including Campylobacter, Clostridium perfringens, and Salmonella. If you wash your chicken in the sink, it can splash water everywhere, contaminating your countertops, your utensils, your plates, and anything else around your kitchen counter area. This is why foodborne illness can occur, and this is why you don't want to wash your chicken. Research shows that running chicken underwater can lead to spreading of bacteria.
So the bottom line is, if you're in the habit of washing your chicken before cooking,
Stop it!
You could get someone sick.
To minimize the risk of food poisoning in your home, handle your chicken with care from when you purchase it until you cook it.